Jade. Staring into the enlightened abyss. Nothing we don't want, we miss. Bittersweet turned into bliss, forever broken with a kiss. In the abyss of enlightenment, we find a bittersweet journey intertwined, broken by a kiss, yet whole again. In the enlightened abyss, we remain. Transformation's bliss, a sacred art. In the enlightened abyss we start, broken by a kiss, yet made anew. In the bittersweet journey we pursue, the kiss of enlightenment, the turning tide. In the abyss where truths reside, bittersweet bliss, forever broken. In the enlightened abyss we're awoken. In the abyss we see, broken by a kiss yet set free. In the enlightened journey we find a bittersweet transformation intertwined. Kiss of enlightenment, a turning tide. In the abyss where truth reside, bittersweet bliss, forever broken. In the enlightened abyss we're awoken. The kiss of enlightenment, a turning tide. In the abyss where truth reside, bittersweet bliss, forever broken. In the enlightened abyss we're awoken. We're awoken. We're awoken. The kiss of enlightenment, a turning tide. In the abyss where truths reside, bittersweet bliss, forever broken. In the enlightened abyss